How are you doing, my lovely friends? It's day 3. Yeah, we've done already 2 old fashions from the festive week, which is kind of celebrating my 50th birthday, and it's giving you ideas about some festive, lovely old-fashioned variation. Okay, so all of these old fashions, it's linked to somehow to my second channel, Mixology Hacks, because the sweetener in all this old fashion, it's out there in the 5 essential winter syrups. So don't forget to check them out if you want to recreate the recipe. And a few of them using homemade ingredients like bitters, but it's just one actually, but all of them using the syrup. So today we're doing another one which is based on rum, and I will explain a little bit later about the rum, but don't be worried, because if you can find this rum, you can use something else. It's absolutely fine. For now, if you're ready for some shakes, stirs and sips, or should I say stirs again, because there's no shaking with old fashioned, make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's make a beautiful ginger and coconut old fashioned. So as old fashioned, we all know 3 ingredients: spirit, sweetener, bitters, and no exception today. The difference is that we're changing totally obviously the basic what we know about being bourbon or whiskey, an angostura and a sugar cube. So we're using a syrups, and today it's no exception. Today we are using a Spytail. I never know how to pronounce this rum, but hey, that's the rum, and it's a ginger rum. It's basically rum macerated with ginger, and this is what I mentioned earlier. You may not be able to find it everywhere, so use any spice rum if you want instead. If you're fancy to walk an extra mile, infuse your rum with fresh ginger, okay, to give it this spicy note. It's fairly easy. Just drop some ginger inside, leave it overnight, filter the next day, and you're done. You don't need to do so much complicated stuff, okay? But I'm gonna use the rum because it's already done. I have it in the house. It's fabulous. Then we're using my homemade syrup, which is ginger, coconut, and lemon zest peel. So this is made with coconut sugar as well. So it's very funky, fruity, tropical, but have the spice in it, have the zestiness from the lemon. It's just absolutely delicious, okay? And finally, to bring a little bit herbal notes, and obviously using the bitters, we are using Teapot Bitters. They pair really nice, the herbal kind of a tea flavor pair really nice with the ginger and the coconut. Overall, it will help to bond all ingredients together. So if you're ready, let's build it up and let's have a sip, okay? So this one is gonna be a little bit boozy. So we are going with proper 75 ml of the rum, and which is 2.5 ounces. It's a beautiful rum. Why not? I mean, it's day 3. We're still doing old fashions. Why don't just lift it up a little bit? The ginger, coconut, and lemon syrup. Again, only 15 ml or a 1/2 ounce. As you can see, it's very dark. It's gonna change the color of your old fashioned. It won't be clear that much, and it won't be that golden as the rum, but doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. And Teapot Bitters, 3-4 dashes, depends how you like. I like to have this extra presence of the bitter to bond everything together, elevate the flavor. It's just fantastic, okay? As always, a big rock of ice for me, because obviously I use my ice which is left from making a clear ice. If not, make sure you fill up your mixing glass with ice and give it a good stir, okay? And while I'm stirring, again, I'm gonna remind everybody, don't forget, you can join me on Patreon. Check the link in the description if you want to support the channel, or you want to support both channels. Or maybe if you want to join a community where people like to share recipes, talk to each other, exchange ideas, or have connection with me pretty much 24/7, or you want to ask me, or you even want to jump on call with me to talk to me about anything, make sure you check the Bartender's Lounge, because that's the only place available where basically we can have a chat one-to-one, or even pop on the Zoom call. So yeah, it's still free, but literally hurry up, because it soon is gonna go to paid. The reason is because I'm getting too much spam, so I'm gonna have to put some kind of a little fee just to avoid the spamming. Right, Once your glass is steamed from outside, check with your outside of the fingers. Usually a good sign when they get really cold because more sensitive part. And we are ready. We are ready. Grab your glass of choice. Now let me just put a little bit backwards so you can see again a really large cube of ice, or fill up your glass with ice and just strain your cocktail on top without spilling outside like I did here, but hey, sometimes things happen. And finally garnish with a lovely ginger slice inside. Just drop it in the cocktail. And this, my friends, is the beautiful ginger and coconut old fashioned. Cheers. Oh, fantastic. You have the funkiness from the rum, the spice from the ginger, and a beautiful coconut flavor to bring this kind of a funky touch to the cocktail. So, day 3, third old fashioned, 2 more to go. I'll see you tomorrow with another one. Until then, stay safe, go make old fashioned, and as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.